Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my entry into the Lockpicking Coal Miners 100 subscriber giveaway challenge. If you guys don't know about him, I'll pop a link to his channel in the description. He's recently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, so congrats to you, dude, on the massive milestone, my man. Awesome. Today what we're going to be doing is picking this Yale Y210 fairly medium security padlock for our entry. So it's a Y210 51 repinnable, lovely lock. Awesome. If you haven't picked one up, definitely pick one up. Got a few security spools in here, so what we're going to do is we'll crack on with it. I have picked this before, so totally full disclosure, it's been done. That's a little bit big of a pry bar for me. Right, so we're going to go with a couple of picks here. I'm going to go with the gem and a medium hook from the Lock Tools set. Pop these out of the way so we can see what's going on. Move the camera up a bit. Should be good to go now. Start off with the gem. No full set already. Some nice clicks. Okay, getting a few. Lost the full set there. Maybe I'll have overset that, I think. Quite possibly. Maybe I've got our full set back now. Nice, strap back in play. There we go, we got some counter rotation. I'm not quite on the pinning off, I don't think. Nice bit of counter rotation there. I think I just butchered a few of my pins there. Lost the false set once again. So that's nice and set. The false set going on. Big counter rotation feels on pin number 3 by the looks of it. I'll come back to that one. Pin number 2. Sorry, pin number 1 rather. Massive bit of counter rotation. Back to pin number 2 again, because I think I just dropped that. Yeah, we definitely got some counter rotation on that one. Make sure I'm just not hitting the plug and creating my own counter rotation for some reason. I'm getting something, but it's not quite going. I think I need to work on another pin first before I hit that one. There we go. Oh, lost him. There. Massive amount of counter rotation then. Pin number 1, I lost pin number 2. Yeah, I need to work on another pin before I hit pin number 1 again. Humongous amount then. Pin number 1 been set. And there we go, guys. Oof. That wasn't satisfying. But we got it open. Awesome. Awesome lock. It's a lot of fun to pick. A lot of good feedback on there. Very, very smooth. Beautiful lock. Full on recommend picking one of these bad boys up. Really fantastic. And that concludes my entry into the 100 sub giveaway. Once again, congratulations on hitting 100 subs milestone. Absolutely awesome work. Absolutely brilliant. Hope I can get to that stage too once I get some good content up, just like your good self. Thanks very much, and I wish you continued growth and good luck to all the other entrants. Thanks and goodbye.